As winter is in full swing, we all run into the issue of some freezing lamb chops as we visit the porcelain deity at night. After many years of such a thing being vastly unaffordable, heated toilet seats are now widely available and quite affordable, so anyone can enjoy some toasty buns any time of the year. My bathrooms are always a frigid tundra in the winter, so I started looking on Amazon for an affordable option to resolve the issue and came across Levy's heated toilet seat. This video is not sponsored at all. This was something I purchased and wanted to share with everyone else so they can see how quickly and easily you can upgrade your bathroom experience at home. As we tear into the box here, we see we have a very simple set of items. We have our toilet seat, the plug, the assembly hardware, and of course, all of the packing materials. The first thing we need to do is remove our old toilet seat. This can be different for everyone, but it all is very similar. You'll normally have a screw of some sort on top and a nut of some sort on the bottom. Sometimes it can be removed by hand. Other times it will require a screwdriver and a pair of pliers. In my case, I was hoping to be able to unscrew it from the top with the screwdriver, but my screws don't easily turn. However, the plastic retaining nut underneath effortlessly turns by hand, so that works for me. Go ahead and remove both, and then take the toilet seat off of your precious commode. Yoink! The hardware is pretty simple. The screw goes through the gray piece, then the plastic retaining clip goes over the screw, followed by the plastic washer and the wing nut to finish it up. As you tighten the screw, the retaining clip slides up to lock everything in place. The retaining clip can be pretty tight and may not easily slide into the toilet flange hole. The easiest way to rectify this is to screw in the screw to where it bottoms out on the retaining clip, then use a plastic mallet to gently tippy-tap-tap the clip into the hole. Once it's in and fully seated, take the screw out, toss the gray retainer over it, Then screw the screw back in until it's mostly tight. You will need to move this gray piece when putting the seat back on. As you can see, as we screw in the screw, the retaining clip gets pulled up and causes the plastic to flare out, creating a very tight fit into the hole for the toilet lid. Once the plastic is bottomed out, put the plastic washer on, followed by the wing nut, and tighten them down. These only need to be hand tight. For putting the toilet seat on, the metal posts go into these two holes. Gently line up the holes with the metal posts and slide it on down. Once you have the seat positioned where you want, go ahead and plug it into your outlet. You may have to hit the reset button to get the seat to turn on. Once it's plugged in, just hit the power button and it should turn on and start working from there. It does have an ambient light sensor that turns on a calming blue light to find the seat in the dark as well. And that's all for today's video. I hope it helped or that you learned something. As always, if you like the content I'm putting out, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all new content as it comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.